Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Nissan Altima rearview mirror. We'll cover identifying the mirror type, gathering the right tools, and understanding the step-by-step process. This guide will help you safely detach the mirror without damaging your windshield or vehicle interior. Let's get started with the essential preparations for this task. Before you begin, gather your tools. A small flathead screwdriver is useful for prying covers. Many Altima mirrors require a T20 Torx bit to loosen a retaining screw. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off. This preparation helps ensure a smooth and safe removal process. Most Nissan Altima rearview mirrors attach with a small screw or a spring-loaded tab. First, gently pry off any plastic cover at the mirror's base using your flathead screwdriver. Then, use the T20 Torx bit to loosen the screw or firmly slide the mirror upwards off its wedge mount. Be careful not to apply excessive force. When removing the mirror, always exercise caution to avoid cracking your windshield. Once detached, clean the mounting area on the glass thoroughly to ensure a good bond for any new mirror or accessory. Reinstallation typically involves reversing these steps, ensuring the mirror is securely fastened. Take your time for a successful outcome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.